Greetings, my friends. I'm back again, Ramesh Gulati. We're going to talk about Chapter 4, Planning and Scheduling. That's a we need to plan our job. We need to schedule properly. Planning, that's very important aspect of maintenance because planning really help us to do job, how we're going to things will work, how we're going to implement those maintenance which we put together in chapter 3, maintenance task. So that's this chapter we're going to talk about planning, scheduling. Planning, how we're going to do, we're going to do and how we're going to do it. Where scheduling is when and who is going to do it. So that's kind of key. Remember, what and how. That's a planning part. Scheduling when and who is going to do that. And that's what we're going to talk about in this. And also the planner's responsibility, what planner does, what are attributes a good planner should be, what the attributes a good scheduler should be, and how we're going to use, is going to use CMMS system, what you have. So those are kind of a big picture of planning, scheduling, and how to use CMMS properly, and those, and kind of a work management getting into this chapter.